Ever wonder why so many Americans struggle to save money? The problem isn't always low income. The real problem is how money disappears. Everything costs more today, from rent to groceries and gas. As income grows, spending often grows too. That's called lifestyle inflation. Credit card debt quietly destroys savings before they even begin. Many people simply don't know where their money goes every month.
The paycheck arrives and disappears almost instantly.
Without an emergency fund, one unexpected expense can cause financial chaos. The first solution is simple. Pay yourself first before paying everyone else.
Use the 50-30-20 rule to control spending and build savings consistently.
Even small contributions can grow into a powerful emergency fund.
Automate your savings so you never have to rely on willpower.
Track every dollar and cut unnecessary spending habits. Small financial improvements create massive results over time. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Follow Clean Money Guide for smarter money habits.